If you are still confused on what products to sell that will give you money, then this video is going to cover that for you. So I'm going to share some products with you, about 5 to 7 products that I believe are hot and winning products. Okay, so these products, all you just need to do is find them, right? Set up your funnel, run advert. You are definitely going to make sales. Okay. I think I have about 5 to 7 of them. So you just choose one or two, find them, get them, start promoting. Okay. Before we go into that, I will first of all let you know that your success in e-commerce comes down to understanding products that will sell. Product research forms the foundation upon which your success lies. If you don't know how to discover hot selling products, you find yourself struggling. You find yourself frustrated and being overwhelmed. So make sure that you don't depend on all the products I'm going to be giving to you, because I'll be releasing products subsequently. However, learn to make research on your own. Learn to do your own product research. It will help you on the long run. All right. That being said, we are going to go in where I'm going to show you videos of these products so that you can also go and look for them, find them, sell them, make money, and thank me later. Okay. I'll ask you to please give this video a thumbs up, like this video so that it will get more traction on YouTube. And if you're new to my channel and you like to see more content on this, you may consider subscribing to this channel and also hit the notification bell, right? So you get to be among the first people to be notified whenever I publish videos. So guys, without wasting time, I believe you have liked this video, right? You have liked it. Have you liked it? I can wait. Liked? Well, let's get started. Let's get started right away. So this is the first product here. All right. It's a smart padlock that uses fingerprint. No need for keys. No need for keys. This padlock uses your fingerprint to access your door, to access whatever you are locked. So you can use it for locks, for your travel bags, for your home, for your safe, for whatever. Okay? It accepts only your fingerprint. Amazing product, isn't it? Smart padlock. So the next product is this kitchen product here that's used to slice, to dice kitchen stuff. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Cuts through easily, effortlessly. Cuts through effortlessly. Listen, when you find products that makes life easier for people, they would love it. They will pay you money to have it. Can you imagine? Let's have a look at that again. Cuts through easily, effortlessly, makes life easier for people, make cutting, uniform cutting, straight line, sweet, beautiful, makes it easier for people to cut stuff like that. So yeah, so I've given you 2 products now. Okay, so we're going to get into more products. Let's get into more products. Let's get into more products. Now this is a product that helps you to dry your shoes, helps to dry your shoes faster, helps to dry your footwear faster. So imagine it's raining, or imagine you just washed your footwear. It takes a lot of time for your footwear to dry, right? Like sneakers and stuff. But this product helps you to keep it dry faster. So you can always wash your footwear whenever you want. Assuming you want to go out in the next 1 or 2 hours, you can wash your footwear now and then use this product to dry it. Do you know how many people who are going to demand and need this product? It has a mass market appeal. You see, so keep your footwear dry, your hand, your gloves, different kind of stuff that you can dry using these products. Amazing, isn't it? I can tell you honestly, it is super amazing. So we have more products I'm going to show you here. This is a vanity product. It will bang. This one will bang. Right? It gives wings to the car, to your car. Just simple beauty like this, all right? To your car, to your bike, especially at night. Once you turn on your engine, it gives you the wing like an angel. So the angelic car light, right? This angelic car light adds beauty to your cars, to your bike, to whatever you have. Look at that. Look at that magnificent beauty. Look at that magnificent beauty. Do you think this is going to sell? I believe so. I believe this product is going to bang. I mean, look at this. Awesome. 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 That's not all. That's not all. Guys, remember, that is not all. I will show you more products in this video. I'll show you more products that I believe are going to bang, that I believe that you are going to sell and they're going to make money. All right. All I'm going to ask of you is that please like this video. That's all. Like my video so that more people on YouTube get to see my video. And if you have any question about any of these products, feel free to ask me in the comment section because I will be there to interact with you. Let's continue. This is a cool gadget that I believe will bang. Charges your Apple devices easily. Look at this. Watch this video again. Look at that. Charges your iPhone, charges your AirPod, and charges your Apple Watch. So you can charge your iPhone, right? You can charge your AirPod. At the same time, you can charge your Apple Watch wirelessly. Wireless charging. Look at that. You see that amazing stuff. Wireless charging. Pay attention to these things. Go and research for these products. Find the one that tickles your fancy, right? Find it, sell it, and make money selling it. All right. Let's keep moving. There are more products that I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you this. I'm going to show you this. Okay. I'm going to show you that also. So this is for losing the nuts on your car tires. So car owners would love to have this on their in their boots. They would love to have something like this. Makes all of this stuff easier, makes work easier and more convenient for engineers, for car owners, personal use, and these are things that people would love to have handy, especially when the need arises. They don't have to be stranded anywhere. You just bring out your toolbox, lose those wheels, lose those wheel out, and makes it easier for you. Amazing, amazing, right? Amazing, amazing stuff. Cool products give you cool results. People will love them. So let's keep going. This smartwatch will also sell. I believe this smartwatch here will bang. This smartwatch holds your AirPod in place, right? It calculates both health, heartbeat, step counts. It also charges your AirPod and holds it in place. Look at this. Charges your AirPod and hold it in place. Amazing. You can imagine stuff like this. People are going to love to buy this. People who are gadget freaks, people who love gadgets, who love smart gadgets, they are going to love to buy this product. How many products have I unleashed so far? Okay. How about this? People are also going to love this. Okay. People are also going to love these products. So that's it. These are the amazing things. These are products. These are products that are going to buy. These are products that are going to bang, that will give you amazing results. Look at that. Look at that light. Look at that light. Okay. And I believe this is also going to sell. Let's look at that. This kitchen cleaner, okay, to just pick up kitchen wipes and wipe the kitchen. It makes cleaning easy, convenient, and just cool. Isn't this interesting? Kitchen cleaner. Just pick up your just pick up your kitchen towel, right? And then with that equipment, with that tool, pick it up and start cleaning. Guys, I have shown you more than 5 to 7 products here. Find Do your research, find one, pick it up, sell it, you are going to make money. Okay, if you have, I'm going to, I think in my next video I would have to teach you how to do proper product research. If you'd like me to make that video on product research, you may just let me know in the comment section. Okay, if you want me to make a video on product research, on how to find hot problem solving products, hot selling products, let me know in the comment section. And if you'd love to learn e-commerce from start to finish and also join our support group, I have a course I created on e-commerce. Okay, it's called the Lucrative E-commerce Business Blueprint. Okay, so this is my course I created on e-commerce. It's called LEBB. Okay, so in this course, you will discover the complete e-commerce framework and strategies to making seven figures income every month by selling physical products, hot selling physical products online with a very high profit margin. Okay, people have gotten this course, people have been getting amazing results. We have seen people who have moved from literally zero to making millions of naira every month doing e-commerce in Nigeria and in other African countries. Okay, so I've created this course for you. We have a support group also, so that after going through the course, you will join our support group where you are going to get answers to your questions. Every time you have a question to ask, there's always someone there to guide you, to give you answers. So we teach you e-commerce and then we also guide you until you start getting amazing results. So the website is www.getlebb.com/LEBB. Okay, I will leave the link in the description of this video. So go there to the description, you will see the link, and I'll also leave the link in the first comment. I'll leave the link in the first comment. I'll pin it under this post. Click on that link, get this course, and I assure you, you would learn e-commerce and then you start making money for yourself. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. I am here to attend to you. I am here to answer you and to help you become better in e-commerce. I'll see you in my next video.